Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig to. It's another podcast episode. Before we begin, of course, please click follow, like, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Thank you if you're watching or listening to it on Spotify. Thank you guys so much for always staying with us. We are going to talk about a topic that my wife does not know about.
Bawal ba nila
Hindi
malaman?
bawal eh. Hindi ko alam paano i-bring up sa kanya.
Okay. What is it?
Okay, cut the long story short. Ganito. I'm in a crossroads kasi. I'm trying to decide on something major. Si Esa is joining a major, or she's thinking about joining a major sporting event.
Okay.
Which needs a lot of training.
Yeah.
Alam natin yan.
Oo.
Diba? Itong mga life sporting events na to, yung kasama ka sa 1% ng population na gumawa ng mga ganito,
Oo.
tagahanda mo yan.
5K nga, pinaghandaan ko eh.
Diba?
Ano pa kaya yan?
Pagod, blood, sweat, tears, the mental game, whatever it is, whether you're doing a triathlon, a marathon, high rocks,
Yeah, high rocks, inain.
Odax for the cyclists out there.
Cyclist.
Whichever sporting event that you are preparing for, if it's something
Ironman,
that's special, yun,
series.
an endurance sport
Yeah.
is no joke.
Yeah.
I tell people na, especially when my 2013, 2014 era, 2016, 2017.
Oo, nag-upload ka recently. Nakita ko Fayat. Oo.
The youth was youthing.
Correct.
The youth was youthing.
Agree.
So, I realized, looking back at it, these are not just endurance events or sporting events. Life moments to. That's what I would call it. Kasi you train so much and you train for something that a normal person or your body is not really meant to do.
At parang iniisip mo minsan parang hindi mo kaya. Or you're not
Mahirap
capable
talaga.
to do it. Yeah.
Kung kaya ko ba? What goes through your mind? I'm sure if you do a long run.
Yeah.
The night before, sabi nga na, runner's anxiety. I know the running boom is crazy now.
Yeah.
Yung anxiety for running, yung nagmamarathon ka pero hindi ka makatulog. Kasi nga ina-anticipate mo na yung, shit, kaya ko ba? Paano pag sumakit to at 30 kilometers?
Cycling events, ganun din ako.
Diba?
My first Audax, ganun din ako. Si Mike, fun fact about him, hindi siya nakakatulog ng maayos. Every time, kunwari, tomorrow yung sasalihan namin. Ngayon, as in, puyat yan
Same.
lagi. Ganun siya.
Same.
Pero ako wala, mahimbing tulog ko.
Even with Gravelton, di ba? Yung nangyari nung October. Ano yun? Parang, I tried to sleep.
Why? Ba't di kayo nakakatulog? Ano ba yung parang feeling nyo, I call
it-
meron kayong gustong gawin na parang baka di nyo magawa?
I think
Kaya
it's-
iniisip nyo na siya?
correct me if I'm wrong for those who have done it or who are into it. It's a mix of a lot of things eh. Baka na nakaka-relate ka rin dito. Let's say if it's a cycling event. Ready na ba yung helmet? May nakalimutan ba ako? Yung shades ba ready? Yung gloves ba ready? Yung sapatos ba? Okay ba to? I remember the first marathon I joined, I think 2013.
How many
yata to.
marathons have you run?
I have 3.
Wow.
Um,
Wow.
Tapos yung isa doon na-injure ako at 38 kilometers. 4 kilometers. Tapos umiyak ako. Umiyak talaga ako sa
And then how many
I remember
months?
I was crying.
Yung preparation.
Oh my God, I was crying under
Oh.
Ross Boulevard. Sa flyover ng na literal nung, oh my God, sobrang
Bakit ka
fresh
na-injure?
nito. Buendia, corner, SLEX.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
ITBS, overuse injury.
So parang before pa, nafe-feel mo na siya, and then hinahayaan mo.
For those who have not experienced ITBS,
No, ako
it will
never.
strike anytime. And it's really painful.
Painful.
As in, hindi mo siya maapakan. Pero, pag nag-strike siya, hindi siya parang gradual pain na palakas ng palakas. Pagka-pack, boom. Yun na, parang ACL. Boom. Yun na yun.
Biglaan talaga.
Biglaan. Tapos yun yung max pain. From 0 to 10 yung pain in a split second.
So anong mali? Bakit nangyari yun? Wala, bigla na lang?
What I realized also at that time, importante talaga, and this I recommend for people who are planning to get into endurance sports, you need muscle training.
Kaya kailangan magbuhat.
At that point, iniisip ko, cardio.
Yes,
Yun lang naman
yes,
habol ko.
yes.
Tapos di ba? Pakialam sa muscles sa legs ko. And if I posted throwback photos.
Aray ko naman, Sam, ako ganyan ako eh.
I told throwback photos ko. Kita mo, payatot ako.
Yes. Wala masyadong
Wala
muscle.
masyadong muscle.
Pero it's a good na itsura ng payat. Alam mo yung hindi
Healthy
tuyot na payat, healthy
Correct.
payat.
Parang pinaparinggan ka.
Hindi
Sabihin mo
naman.
na, sino ba? Babae ba to?
Hindi pa uso ang tirze noon.
May bagong peptide na tawag. It's called a
Ay,
peptide.
hindi na tirzepatide.
Hindi ko na alam. Ozempic. Anyway.
Okay,
mamaya,
balik ka
we'll
doon.
discuss that
Okay.
on another
So,
episode.
na-injured ka?
Okay, I got injured. Anyway, yun yung cause ng injury. So, what I realized going back, yun nga, so si Essa is planning to join one of the endurance sporting events, no? And kasi siguro nagtataka kayo, but she's keep on running or, training, sa gym and everything. And, okay, I haven't done an endurance race in 10 years.
Because of your crazy schedule. Dahil tapos,
na.
or parang
Tapos,
hindi. Kasi kapag gusto mo, gagawin mo eh. Or dahil nagawa mo na, kaya ayaw mo na.
kilala ko rin sarili ko.
Alin doon?
Pag pumasok ko sa training zone, parang
Train hard.
trainira ako. Parang,
So, let go of work ka. Medyo slight ganon.
Oo, tsaka
may mga work ka na hihindian.
Oo, tsaka may
So,
stress.
nasa pera-ira ka ngayon.
Sana, oo. Gusto ko kasi dumami ng mga Cartier bangles tsaka mga...
Huwag kang mag-alala, pareho tayo mukhang pera-ira.
Anyway, eto. So, alam ko may kakaibat na stress.
Hindi lang yun. Tsaka, I don't know if you also feel that noong time na nagtitrain ka. Kasi sinasabi mo sa work, may matindi,
Correct.
matindi na rin schedule mo nun. Baka nga Bulaga days mo
Yes,
yan eh.
correct.
See? At nakuha mo pang mag-training. Minsan iniisip ko,
But
pag
I don't
nagtitrain
train
ako
I don't train in the morning. Ano ako? Puro
Hapon.
ako treadmill tsaka stationary bike.
Ngayon kasi iniisip ko, yung sinasabi mo may kaakibat na stress. Gets na gets kita dyan sa part na may 21-kilometer run ako on Sabado. On Saturday.
This
Ngayon
Saturday,
na, this
okay.
Saturday.
Good luck.
Tapos lagi ko inaawa yung asawa ko. Bakit mo kasi ako sinali dyan eh? Gusto ko, pero sa utak ko, baka kasi di ko kaya. Pero alam mo yon, minsan may mga pagkakataon na imbis na nasa utak ko habang tumatakbo ako, dapat natutulog ako ngayon eh. Dapat nag-Netflix na lang ako ngayon. Dapat kasama ko yung mga bata ngayon eh.
And I'm
Pero
not sure.
while you're doing it, nag-enjoy ka rin. At the same
Siyempre.
time.
And the pain is part of it. The pain is it's like, let's say, yung nagbabike tayo ahon, di ba?
Yan.
Masakit, mumura-mura ka talaga paakyat.
Pero pagdating mo doon,
Oh my
ang
God.
saya.
Yung fulfillment mo.
I know, right?
Pagka yung happy hormones mo sumasabog, di ba? Parang,
sasabihin mo pa, di ko na ulitin tong ahon na to.
Oo. Tapos
Pero-
sa ulo mo nagpe-play, I'm walking on sunshine. Wow! Buong araw, di ba nagpe-play yun?
Pero
I'm
ikaw ba
walking
habang
on
umaahon,
sunshine.
mainit ulo mo? Or,
Oo.
same tayo.
Lalo pag naiiwan-iwan ka na.
Oh, always.
Hindi ka praktisa.
Always.
Hindi naman tayo praktisado.
Correct. Tanggap naman yan ng mga kasama natin.
Weekend
Oo.
riders tayo, di ba?
I know.
So anyway, going back. I know how, ang ano na to, we've been talking about it, is,
Sabihin mo na yung totoo, kasi kanina off-cam.
Oh.
Actually, hindi ito dati yung pag-uusapan namin. Pero si Sam kasi, may kinukwento off the air bago namin record tong podcast na to, na nagulat ako. Kaya kung may hawak na tissue ngayon, naiyak ako, nakrayola ako, dahil sa sinabi niya. What are the exact words you told me earlier?
okay. Like I said, I haven't told Essa about this because I don't know how to talk to her about this. No. Gusto ko siya itanong if she wants me to join that race with her. Because if she says yes, of course I'm gonna train with her. I'm gonna do my part, make sure everything's okay. Pero on the other side, kaya hindi ko ma-bring up, ang hindi ko ma-bring up na part is I know how much of a personal thing it is. Na there are things you will have to do as couples or with your partner, but there are things that you just want to do
Na ikaw lang.
na ikaw lang. For
And
you, it's such
you
a
feel
personal
like-
thing.
You feel like gusto niya na siya lang?
Every time she talks about it, it seems like it's such a personal thing. So I don't wanna steal the thunder.
So parang, and steal the spotlight.
Oo.
Oo. Nafe-feel mo na pag kinukwento niya to, very excited siya.
Eksakto ng kinikwento mo. Yung stressed, natatakot, nangaaway, pero
okay,
excited.
gets.
Pero lahat man yun, alam mo, dahil excited siya.
Pero hindi mo magawang masabi sa kanya dahil feeling mo, pag sinabi mo,
No, hindi ko lang ma-ask sa kanya if you want me to join you.
why?
Kasi nga, I think it's one of those, even if we're, husband and wife, feeling ko it's like a personal thing. Na maybe she wants to go through it by herself.
Or hindi mo ba naisip na mas ma-enjoy niya dahil
It could go
dalawa
both
kayo?
ways.
Yeah.
Ano na ngayon, January. Pero kailangan ko na siya tanungin about it soon.
And you wanna do it because you wanna do it or you just wanna support her and do
I'll
it
do
with
it.
her?
No, I'll do it because I support her.
Oh, alam niyo kung ba't ako
Graduate na ako dyan. I'll just do it just to make sure she's okay and to support her.
And may mga trabaho kang hihindian for sure
Oo
pag
naman,
ginawa mo
oo
yan.
naman.
Yeah. Wow. Actually, kaya ako na-emo kanina kasi parang napaisip ako na grabe yung maturity ng relationship nyo sa part na hindi mo to masabi sa asawa mo kasi feeling mo pag sinabi mo, maalis yung spotlight sa kanya and you just want it to be for her. Sa kanya lang tong moment na to sa buhay niya eh.
And I think she's gonna say,
Nagigets mo ba?
sasabihin
Sabi ko
lang sa
nga,
akin, ikaw bahala. Gaganon siya.
sabihin ko yung exact words na sinabi ko kanina kay Sama. Sabi ko, grabe naman yung relationship na yan. Pag kami-kami lang to, sasabihin ko lang naman sa
Diba,
asawa
tara
ko.
na, let's go.
Sali ka na rin, nandito na ako
Nandito na tayo eh.
Hindi ko alam kung was there ever a time na naisip ko yun na baka may ginagawa ko na baka naaalis ko yung spotlight sa asawa ko, dapat sa kanya lang yun. That's why I felt that. Kaya medyo naluha ako. Kasi baka dapat tayo ay sensitive na kahit hobby lang to, this hobby means a lot to our partner. Kaya may mga pagkakataon na dapat support lang tayo. Hindi natin agawin yung spotlight sa kanila. Kaya
Naku, na word mo para sa akin.
alam mo
gusto ko yung
yun?
word.
Kaya medyo naluha ako kanina kasi nasa utak ko, okay, naging supportive naman siguro ako kasi merong sinalihan si Mike na do what Lord.
I think I know that.
also
I think I
wanted
saw that
to
in
join.
your-
Gusto ko, pero ayokong, hindi dahil ayokong alisin yung spotlight sa kanya. Ang nasa utak ko nun, hindi ko kaya. Pero never ko yata, parang hindi yata ako aware.
It was still a bit selfish, diba?
Oo, napaisip kasi ako na, tayo ba aware tayo sa mga pagkakataon na aalis yung spotlight sa partner natin?
And with all due respect, I have to give it to Esa.
Yeah.
And I think Mike would probably be the same. Na we're kahit paano in the public eye. Diba? So, si Esa also always gives me that
100% support.
100% support. You would never see her. She's a very private person, as you can tell.
Yes.
You would never see her. Nagkaka-post nga lang sa Instagram for the first time in 3 months.
Na nandun yung mukha mo. Tapos sabi mo, nag-comment ka nga, wow, I made it to the feed, girl.
But parang she always, I feel that about her, with all due respect to her, na she's also never gonna try to make sapaw. Na kailangan yung spotlight na sa akin. Parang, ano siya.
And I don't think she'll think ng ganon, na sapaw. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga kay Sam kanina, ang galing, kahit sa hobby naiisip mo yan. Usually sa career natin yan ginagawa for our partners. Pero oo nga, sa ibang bagay, other than career, pwedeng wag din natin alisan ng spotlight yung partner natin.
Kasi there are things in life that you will have to do as a couple. Pero let's not forget that we're still individuals. We still have our personal goals, whether it's career, whether it's a hobby, a sport, a life goal that, of course, we're in this journey together as husband and wife. But you don't want to take out the spirit or the pagkatao ng taong yun. Kailangan pa rin may Chacha, may Mike, and may Chacha and Mike. May Sam, may Esa, and may Sam and Esa. Kasi
there are things that you'll do with your partner and there are things na dapat ikaw lang, dapat siya lang.
Correct, especially if it means a lot. Yes. It's something that you think it's a life moment for you. It's not just a gimmick na, sige, sumama ka, hindi mo na ako sama. It's something that will require a lot of time, patience, pain, blood, sweat, tears. And it's like I said, it's a life moment that maybe she wants to have to herself.
Pero alam mo, kahit hindi ako, kunyari sinapian ako ni Esa ngayon, pag sinabi mo yan sa akin, malamang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, halika na, sumama mo na ako para dalawa tayo. I don't think she'll ever think na masasapawan mo ako.
Feeling
But
ko, sasabihin niya.
Totoo yan. Kasi una, may makakasama siya mag-training, so masisipagin siya mag-train with you. And it's fun to run with your loved one, with your friends. Di ba mas masaya naman talaga to finish a race or bike pa yan or high rocks kung meron ka talagang kasama. But then again, I'll go back dun sa thinking mo na kahit alam mo naman na hindi talaga may isip ng asawa mo, na sasapawan mo siya, ang galing lang nung idea na dapat talaga may mga pagkakataon. We'll let our partner shine.
Kasi exactly yun. Kasi syempre, parang pag sumali pa ako, syempre, picture, ganyan. Parang,
it will always be you too. I know.
Like I said, not for anything else. I'm saying this with all humility. Syempre, pag nandyan tayo, okay, picture, diba? And we love to indulge people who want to have photos
hindi lang yun. Kasi alam naman nila na tayong dalawa, yung parehong karelasyon natin, parehong private na tao eh. So, nagigets kita sa point na minsan gusto mo, sa kanya dapat, hindi na sa akin.
Oh, and she's there to do that.
Ayan na naman, naiingit ko yung hormones ko, mga ben.
She's there to do that,
ang
diba?
galing, ang galing, ang
so,
ganda.
There are times where you have to realize that we have to step back. No, not step back in supporting, step back.
I think like step back and give it to them.
Correct.
Moment mo to.
Yes.
Mag-shine ka, parang ganyan.
Kaya, I don't know how to bring it up with her kasi I think she's gonna say yes or maybe she's gonna say, ikaw bahala.
She'll say yes.
feeling ko she's gonna say ikaw bahala.
Of course. Lagi naman ganun ang babae. Nasa sa'yo yan kung gusto mo.
Yun nga. Pero gusto ko malaman, well, she's gonna be listening to this episode, and I think I'm gonna get the answer whenever she listens to this episode.
Well, Esa is so lucky na your partner is like this. And napaisip talaga ako ngayon.
Swerte rin ako kasi, like I said,
pareho kayong swerte sa
she's
isa't
been
isa.
like that
Yun nga
with
eh.
me.
Minsan siguro mapapaisip tayo na baka may mga moments na hindi tayo ganun ka-supportive at minsan may mga moments na inaagawan natin sila ng spotlight.
Like,
Pero because of this episode, alam mo parang naisip ko, may sinasabi kasi sa akin si Mike na parang gusto ko mag-join ng High Rocks or gusto ko mag-join ng ganito.
O si
Tapos lagi
Kitty
ko
and
lang
si Carlo.
sinasabi,
Biglang si Carlo,
hi Kitty and
si Carlo
Carlo.
biglang napasign up out of nowhere.
Nakikita ko ang kanilang training.
Napasign up
I
si
know.
Sir.
Good luck, guys.
Good
Dahil
luck.
kay Kitty.
First nila. They're gonna be doing
Kayang-kaya
their
nyo
first.
yan.
And it's lovely to doing it as a couple. I mean,
Masaya talaga.
like I said, there are things that are...
Tsaka mas
Ang
masaya.
sarap po.
True. Training together.
Correct.
Away nyo together
Correct.
while running.
Pagod na ako,
Na parang
kausapin.
5K lang tayo today. Hindi. 10K
yun,
tayo.
Kakaganunan,
Ganyan.
syempre, alam natin yan.
But
oh.
it's really more fun to run with your partner. But at the same time, gets ko yung whole point why
The bigger
you're
picture of
feeling
it.
and thinking that way.
Oof.
'Di ba? But I'm sure kung sasabihin mo yan sa kanya, kahit sabihin ni Esa na bahala ka na, she'll be happy to run with you.
But let me end it with this.
But me, my realization dito, kapag every time kasi may sasabihin sa akin yung asawa ko, dahil siguro sanay na ako sa sumasali siya sa mga bagay na yun, nakakalimutan ko na minsan kailangan niya ng support na, alam mo yun, dahil nasanay ka na matagal na kayo magkasama eh. So, na-realize ko ngayon, oh my gosh, dapat pala pag may sinasabi yung asawa ko na, join ako ng ganito, ang chika ko pala dapat, go, support kita. Pero hindi, lagi na lang akong, ikaw, bahala ka. Go lang. Go lang. Yun na lang lagi sinasabi ko.
Yun
Alam mo
nga.
yun?
I think Esa will...
I'm not good with words with my partner. Mas sa actions kasi talaga ako. Like last time he joined duathlon, nagpa-tarpaulin ako and
I
all
saw
that.
that. Oo.
Pero I am not good with words. Weird, no? Hindi ako magaling sa words
pareho
with my
tayo.
partner. I swear. My God.
And people always complain, si Esa will always say, eto, trabaho niya magsalita. Pero, honestly, pag nasa hindi siya magaling mag-communicate sa akin. Always.
Ma-action naman tayo.
Oo, ma-action tayo.
Pero
lagi niya
sometimes we
sinasabi
need
yan.
words.
Yes,
Our
of course,
partner
of course.
need words.
Of course,
diba?
lahat tayo. I mean, sabi nga nila love languages, diba? Yes, there are certain love languages per person, per couple, but I think you still have, kahit na let's say, service or action or gifts yung love language, kailangan pa rin support with other, languages of love. It's not just, mahilig sa gifts, puro regalo, wala ka nang pakialam sa words of affirmation. You still have to,
It's a balance of everything.
Correct. I think that's what all couples would like to achieve, the balance of everything. No? Pag sinabing love language ko, service, yes, service, pero may check ka pa rin sa ibang departments. No? Like I said, I think Esa will say the same thing, ikaw bahala kung gusto mo. But I want our
What's your
listeners,
decision?
I don't know.
Okay. Sige, abangan na lang.
I don't
namin.
know.
Okay.
I think I'll ask. Well, I'll ask her after she listens to this. So, I'm asking you,
Yes.
Esa,
Oh my God, parang
parang propose.
Oh my God, go papi.
Would you want me to join the event with you?
That is so sweet.
And if I'll be supporting you 100% all the way, whether, I'm joining it or not. Of course, I'm going to be there. But would you want me to actually do the entire thing with you? So, I'm going to end it to that
Ganda.
for a change.
Grabe, no? The things our partners will do for us sometimes na take for granted na natin.
Yeah, that's so true also.
Right?
Like si Esa,
Like you, I'm sure sabi mo nga kanina, gagawin mo, hindi naman dahil gusto mo, dahil tapos ka na dito eh. Gagawin mo kung gusto niya, dahil para supportahan siya, tapos
naman.
magkasama kayo.
Right.
I have a friend na cyclist, super antindi mag-bike, and then yung partner niya, hindi masyadong
Zero.
ma-physical activity. But you know what's good about sa kanilang dalawa? Sa lahat ng races, kahit gaano kahaba yung, sabi mo na 360, na gravelton, yung mahaba, laging nandun. As in, nandun lang magbabantay,
Correct.
maghihintay
Yes,
hanggang matapos.
finish line.
And I'm sure sa Ironman, sa marathons, normal yung mga ganun. Yung hindi naman nila hobby to, wala silang pake
Of
sa
course,
pagpapapawis. Pero dahil gusto ng partner nila, kahit hindi career, kahit pa for others, hobby ay hobby lang, dahil gusto ng partner nila,
So
support all the way.
There's that, and then there's the next level na I'm gonna go through the pain with you. Boom. We'll leave it at that, my
True
gosh.
thick and thin talaga, be, literal.
Thank you for joining us on this episode. And whatever you guys are, are planning, it might be good for your journey. Kayo nakakaalam niyan, no? Not everything that we're going through, you guys are going through as well. There are also, like you said, great things that you guys will do as a couple that will make you stronger as a couple. So you guys know your relationship better. But also, let's not forget that our partners are also individuals also that need to grow and go through their own thing as well.